Remo Manoj, today's program coordinator, Ms. Ankita Dolekar, nursing faculties, staff, and our dear students. I extend a warm welcome to each one of you to our first World Breastfeeding Week celebration at our institute. World Breastfeeding Week is commemorated by World Health Organization every year during the first week of August to emphasize the importance of breastfeeding globally. Today, we have gathered to spread awareness about the benefits of breast milk. Breast milk. Breast milk is a precious gift given by God Almighty to all living organisms. It is precious because it not only provides nutritional support to the baby, it also helps in the growth and development of the baby, its mental growth, and provides immunity for the full lifetime, and also it helps the mother in many ways. It helps the mother to have a control on her postnatal bleeding, and it helps in the involution of uterus, and it serves as a postnatal contraception.
तो केवळ सोपस्कार म्हणून जावचो न्हय, त्या विशयाचे महत्व आम्ही सगळ्यांनीच म्हाका बरें दिसलें की यू हॅव परफॉर्मड ऑन फर्स्ट इटसेल्फ इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल. इट इज अ व्हेरी गुड सायन. कारण आम्ही कामा करते ना तितल्या पुरतेच ना, आम्ही खरेंच वी आर इनवॉल्वड इन दीस प्रोफेशन. आणि तुम्ही जर इनवॉल्व जाले, हांव कॉलेज ऑफ एड्युकेशनाचें सांगा, हांव आमचे एक 4-5 बॅचीस पास आउट जाले आणि आता बरी रेप्युटेड एड्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स जी आसात, विशेष करून इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल्स, दे हॅव रियलायज्ड दॅट अवर स्टुडंट्स आर पासिंग आउट are good teachers.
So he's been a health minister and the chief minister, respected all the doctors across the state. Big thank you. And I'm also, that was from me to him as a doctor of health services, but I'm quite impressed with the health complex that is set up over here. We managed to do it, and I really didn't expect such a big function, although I saw things. And the function was not just for the sake of having a function. I like the girls, including the principal, in the Onam special, upcoming Onam special saris, and the young girls dressed in sari from your school.